When it comes to packing for Europe, most travelers make the same mistakes over and over again. Did you know that over 60% of people pack more than they need, only to leave half of it untouched in their suitcase? And here's a real shocker. The average tourist in Europe walks up to 10 miles a day. Talk about sore feet if you're not wearing the right shoes. But don't worry, this guide is here to help you avoid these packing blunders. Whether you're heading to a sunny beach or exploring snowy mountains, I'll share easy strategies to pack light, stay comfortable, and make your travels smoother than ever. No more struggling with heavy bags or worrying about missing out on the essentials. Let's dive into what you should, and shouldn't, bring to Europe, so you can focus on the adventure, not the packing. Chapter 1. Avoid overpacking. Overpacking is one of the biggest travel mistakes. You might think you need to bring everything you own, but the reality is that most travelers don't need nearly as much as they think. A survey by the Travel Leaders Group found that 41% of people bring more clothing than necessary when traveling abroad. The key to packing light is to choose items that can serve multiple purposes. A scarf, for instance, can double as a blanket on chilly flights or as a stylish accessory for evenings out. To save space, think in layers. A mix of lightweight sweaters, shirts, and jackets allows you to adjust based on the weather. It's better to pack a few quality items that are versatile rather than a bunch of single-use clothes. Remember, Europe is home to many shops where you can easily pick up anything you might need. So, if you forget something, don't panic. A good strategy is to plan outfits ahead of time. Lay out everything you think you'll need, then cut it down by about a third. Packing cubes can also help maximize space, keeping things organized and easy to access. The trick is to keep it simple and streamlined. Less is always more. Chapter 2. Don't forget comfortable shoes. In Europe, you're going to be walking a lot. European cities are known for their cobblestone streets, so you need shoes that are comfortable and durable. Packing fancy shoes that are only good for a few hours of standing is a huge mistake. Condé Nast Traveler suggests that the average tourist walks 6 to 10 miles per day, depending on the city. That's a lot of steps in shoes that don't fit right. Opt for sturdy, stylish sneakers or walking shoes. Choose ones with good support, especially if you plan on seeing the sights on foot. A pair of comfortable sandals can also work well in the warmer months. If you want to dress up, try a pair of comfortable flats that won't give you blisters after a few hours. Even though it's tempting to bring several pairs of shoes, one comfortable pair should be enough. You can always find ways to dress them up for nicer occasions. Don't forget that Europe's public transportation is often more compact than what you might be used to, meaning you'll be getting on and off buses or trains quickly, with no time for a shoe change. Chapter 3. Don't skip the power adapter. One of the most common packing mistakes is forgetting a power adapter. Europe uses different plug types than other parts of the world, and many travelers arrive without realizing this. It's a small but crucial item that can prevent you from being stuck with a dead phone or camera. Many people also overlook the voltage differences, which can fry electronics if you're not careful. The best way to avoid this issue is to invest in a universal travel adapter. They're compact, affordable, and can handle plugs from all over the world. With an adapter, you can charge your devices without worrying about compatibility. You can also buy converters if your electronics require them. It's easy to overlook something like an adapter, but once you're in Europe, you'll be happy to have it. According to Nomadic Mat, a popular travel website, this is one of the top items people wish they'd packed when traveling abroad. A simple adapter can save you a lot of time and frustration. And let's be real, who wants to spend the first day of their vacation searching for one? Don't forget to subscribe for more smart packing tips to help you make the most of your European adventure. Chapter 4. Pack for the weather, not the season. Europe's weather can be unpredictable. Whether you're traveling in summer or winter, it's essential to pack for varying conditions. In some regions, such as the Mediterranean, temperatures can stay warm even in the fall. In other areas, like Northern Europe, it can be rainy and cold, no matter the time of year. According to weather.com, the weather in cities like London or Paris can change drastically from day to day. You might start your day with sunshine, but by afternoon, a cold front could roll in. To be prepared, it's best to pack layers. A lightweight jacket, a warm sweater, and a scarf can help you adjust to changing temperatures without taking up too much space in your suitcase. When traveling in winter, don't forget waterproof gear. Cities like Amsterdam and Edinburgh are known for sudden rain, so waterproof shoes and a rain jacket are a must. A quick-drying, foldable umbrella is a travel favorite for many, as it's small and efficient. Remember, weather forecasts can help, but they can't predict every surprise. Packing wisely will help you stay comfortable no matter what the forecast says. Chapter 5. Don't bring too many toiletries. Packing a bag full of toiletries is another common mistake. European cities have plenty of stores where you can buy the essentials, so it's unnecessary to bring large bottles of shampoo, conditioner, or toothpaste. In fact, according to a survey by The Guardian, 72% of travelers bring toiletries they never end up using. The key here is to pack only the essentials. A small bottle of shampoo, toothpaste, and deodorant is all you need to get started. You can buy extra items like lotion or makeup at any convenience store. Plus, packing small travel-sized containers helps you comply with airline regulations for liquids. Many travelers also forget that many hotels and hostels provide toiletries, so check with your accommodations before packing items like soap and shampoo. It's a great way to save space and lighten your load. And if you do need a specific item, European pharmacies have a wide variety of products, often with local brands that you can try. Packing fewer toiletries not only saves you space but also reduces the weight of your bag, making it easier to travel through airports, train stations, or the busy streets of Europe. Chapter 6. Leave valuables at home. When traveling abroad, it's tempting to bring expensive items like jewelry, watches, or cameras. However, this is one of the top mistakes that travelers make. According to Europol, pickpocketing is a common issue in crowded tourist spots throughout Europe. You don't want to be a target by carrying around valuables that can easily be stolen. Instead of packing your most valuable jewelry, leave it at home. You can always pack simple, inexpensive pieces that can complement your outfits without attracting attention. Similarly, if you're traveling with electronics like a laptop or high-end camera, think carefully about whether you really need them. If you can get by with your phone for photos or entertainment, leave the bulky gadgets behind. As Rick Steves, a well-known travel expert, suggests, the less you carry, the less you have to worry about. You'll be more relaxed and focused on enjoying your trip if you're not constantly concerned about the safety of expensive items. Another important consideration is travel insurance. It's always a good idea to invest in a policy that covers lost or stolen items. This way, if something does go wrong, you'll be prepared to handle it quickly without the added stress. By leaving valuables at home and opting for practical, inexpensive alternatives, you can enjoy your trip with peace of mind, knowing that your belongings are safe and secure. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to make your European travel experience as stress-free as possible. Final thoughts. Packing smart for a stress-free trip. Traveling to Europe should be an exciting adventure, not a stressful experience filled with overstuffed luggage and forgotten essentials. The secret to a smooth trip is simple. Pack light, pack smart, and plan ahead. By avoiding the common packing mistakes and following these strategies, you'll be able to focus on enjoying your travels rather than worrying about what you left behind. Whether it's choosing versatile clothing, packing for unpredictable weather, or leaving your valuables at home, these tips will ensure that you're ready for whatever Europe throws your way. So, the next time you start packing for a trip, remember, less is more, and the more you plan, the less you have to worry about on the road. Safe travels.